Check out this JCB 215E backhoe. Fully equipped, 4-wheel drive, 4-in-1 split bucket. It's got extra fork attachments, flip over forks on the top. It's got extend-a-hoe in the back. Cab with cold air conditioning as well in this thing. This was a government municipality machine. Like it's got about a 36 inch bucket on the back. Kind of a larger bucket for it. More capacity. All original paint, and she really does look good. Tires are in excellent shape all the way around. Michelin's on the back there. Extend-a-hoe working good. This is just how you like to see them, all original. Real clean, not beat up. Looking nice and tight. Not a lot of movement in the pins and bushings. Very tight. Good running backhoe, JCB 215E, 4-wheel drive, 4-in-1 split bucket, flip over forks included, cab with cold air conditioning. Got extend-a-hoe in the back with a nice big digging bucket. All original, county owned. Good machine.